If you're in real estate and you want to grow on YouTube without posting, watch this video. Hi, I'm Jesse, and in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I grew on YouTube by not posting for 365 days. Hi, I'm Jesse from Healthy Media Marketing, and what we do is we strategize real estate channels by creating engaging content and optimizing their videos. And we work everywhere from Canada to Colombia. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly what is possible on YouTube and what will happen if you stop posting. If you're curious about how I came to this conclusion, I created a video right up here where I have a fitness-based channel and I didn't post a video for a full calendar year, 365 days. I grew by 1,600 subscribers, almost 20,000 hours of watch time, and grew by 320,000 views. So the strategy isn't rocket science. It comes down to a few topics. Blanket the topic that you're in. So if you're in real estate in, say, the United States, or better yet, New York, blanket the topic on everything to do with New York real estate. What you can do is go to Google or go to YouTube, which are the two biggest search engines in the world. Google and YouTube are linked, and so therefore they'll work together. What you do is you type in New York real estate and whatever comes after, create a video on it. This is called blanketing the topic on that. Then what you do is you switch it and you say real estate in New York and see what comes up, create a video on it. By understanding this, what will happen is after myself and my team or you optimize those videos, you'll start ranking for different search terms. Then what you do is you cross-reference those search terms in Google and YouTube, and you see how many people are actually searching for that video topic. And if you start ranking for a highly searched video topic, you'll take off on YouTube. So by understanding the strategy, trusting in the process, and being consistent with your posting, you will start ranking for certain search terms. Understanding that, you could just stop posting entirely, trust in the process, and your videos will grow. But, and I've seen this so many times before, people go through, create one or two videos, they didn't cross-reference, they didn't check the search count, they didn't really look into the back end of the content, and they didn't really blanket the topic. When I say blanket the topic, go through, find real estate in New York, do 20 videos on it. Then what you look for is commonly asked questions about New York real estate, do questions on it, and do guides about all the different areas of New York real estate. And right there, you've basically covered everything to do with New York real estate. And by understanding that and creating multiple videos on it, to give you an idea, my channel of 20,000 subscribers had 600 videos. But in certain search terms, because I cross-referenced and everything else, I had about 20 videos for indoor cycling, and I had about 25 videos on TRX exercises. And I knew that on certain exercises with TRX, it was too competitive, so I just didn't do them. And I found out that certain exercises within TRX just didn't do well on the channel, but others did, so I doubled down on the ones that did do popular. Because I was trending for certain search terms, I would create anything I created within that search term did well. And when you look at my channel, Healthy Media Marketing, which is relatively new. I created it about 5 months ago at the time of this video. I know that I rank for luxury Medellin real estate, or I rank for Alto de las Palmas, which is a place in Medellin, real estate, or Medellin after the topic. I know that I rank for those. So what I did is I created a video with all 3 of the videos that I was ranking for in one video. And right there, I'm already growing with organic traffic higher than any other of the videos that I have. So by blanketing the topic, I guarantee you will grow on YouTube. And then if you want, you could stop posting entirely, but you have to put the work in the beginning. If you're not putting in the work and assessing the topics and doing everything that we do on a daily basis for our clients, then you won't be able to step away from it and grow exponentially. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was down below, and we'll see you in the next video.